Add table row in jQuery. What is the best method in jQuery to add an additional row to a table as the last row? Is this acceptable? Are there limitations to what you can add to a table like this, such as inputs, selects, number of rows? The approach you suggest is not guaranteed to give you the result you're looking for. What if you had a body, for example? You would end up with the following. I would therefore recommend this approach instead. You can include anything within the after method as long as it's valid HTML, including multiple rows as per the example above. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.